Hello everyone and welcome to this weird getup I've got going on. This is a Rokoko suit and I'm going to show you how you can take a Rokoko suit, make your own motion capture and bring it into Unreal Engine 5. So without further ado, let's get started with Rokoko. So what is a Rokoko suit? A Rokoko suit is a suit that is you put on and it is controlled by accelerometers, so there's little sensors all over the suit allowing you to record movements without being tethered to a computer. So it connects just to your Wi-Fi and it's powered by simply a battery pack, which we've got here. And you just plug it in, you put it in your little pocket and away you go. Now, if you are going to get a Rokoko suit, one thing I would recommend is aim for a higher size than what you think you're going to need. They are a bit of a snug fit, and there is some give in it, but you ideally want to get a bigger fit probably. So do recommend looking at that. But let's take a look at the Rokoko software and what's going on over here. So in the Rokoko software, you set up your team, you'll go through the whole setup process. It's quite simple setting up the suit itself. The suit is simply just connected to your Wi-Fi and it looks for it on here. With it powered on, we should be able to see our Rokoko suit appear in our list, meaning that I should be able to now create a new scene. So I could do a new scene here, Android grab. This is going to be for my game Mimic, so I'm going to create a scene for that. And it's going to create a scene for me. When you create a scene, there's a few things to be aware of. And you can see it's looking a bit funky here. That's because I haven't really calibrated it. But over here, you'll see you've got actors and characters. And you can see here, I've already set myself up over here as a actor. And this is quite simply all your measurements. So I recommend creating your own actor. And it's simply just fill in all your measurements like here. Okay, so thankfully I have my wife help me out, take all these measurements. And once I've got my actor is this blue one. I'm going to make the suit pair with that. So I'm just going to right click on the suit, pair of actor, Ryan. So now they're synced up and I've got my exact movement going on there. Next up we need to do is we need to calibrate. So let's go and do that. Go to calibrate and we do pose. And you've got to stand up in this pose. And now you can see, I'm again with my microphone, as you can see, we're now calibrated and we've got full movement. I've got my character, I can put my hand on my head, I can put my hand on my shoulders, and so on. Okay, touch my feet. All good. Thumbs up. So yeah, this is our Rokoko suit. And all you'll do is record any sort of motion you want. So we're going to hit the record button. And I'll start my action. Move my chair out of the way. So here I go. I'm going to record my scene. Do another take. And then stop the recording. Once done, you'll have your recording. But we also want to just trim out the start here of me pushing a button, standing up, moving my chair out the way, and things like that. So we're going to find a point where we actually want it to start. I'm going to go to there. And I'm going to click on the little black boxes here. So the boxes that have the numbers in, I'm going to click on that and just drag that in to trim out that starting point. And I'm going to go to the end here and do the same thing for when I stop it as well. So now we've got just a playback happening where we want it to happen. Okay. So I've done several takes here. We're going to want to just take a particular one. So I'm just going to grab, I think I quite like the third one I did, which was this one. I think I'll go from there. Yeah, we'll go from that. So we're going to take that one here. I'm just going to change the segment down to where I want it to start and where I want it to end. Like that. So now when I go to export it, it'll only export that section of it. So when it comes to exporting, over here we've got a file format of FBX. That's probably what one you want to use for Unreal. And then you've got skeleton options, and you've got some pre-made ones you've got for UE4, UE5, if you're using Mixamo, whatever you want to use. I'm obviously doing Unreal Engine, so I'm going to click on UE5 Mani, and I'm going to click on Export here. And it's done. Open the folder. And there is our new clip that we recorded today, that one there. So I'm going to bring that now into Unreal. Okay, so now in Unreal, I can go into my folder here, grab the animation from today and drag it into my content drawer. Oop. Like that. And we're going to go to animations, and I'm going to choose the skeleton that we exported as. So I exported that as the mannequin. So I'm going to go to Mani, make sure animation is ticked on, import, and there we go. So there is our animation, which then we can use for all sorts of things. And you see it comes out not too bad. And will suffice for pretty much most things you're doing. You may want to go in and do some cleanup in some other editing software like Maya or something if you wanted to really take advantage of it. But honestly, it's really good. Like you can see the fingers are working nicely. Yeah, love it. Now, if I go back to my skeleton tree, hit the root here, you'll notice the root hasn't been root motioned. Now, this is a pro feature. So if you want to do root motion stuff, you can upgrade your plan, and in your advanced settings, you can extract the root motion from it. If you also upgrade your plan, there's a plugin, and the plugin allows you to basically hit one button and it will just put it into your project straight away. You don't have to go to export and import into Unreal. So it streamlines that process a little bit too. So it may be worth exploring upgrading the plan. You can subscribe for like a month and then cancel it. You can do however you want. Yeah, it's pretty flexible in that setup. It also gives you access to other features as well, like changing the frame rate and other things like that too. But for the most part, you can do pretty good stuff with this. Yeah. Another really cool thing you can do with the Pro plan is you can add your own characters to it. So you go to character and you upload your own FBX or import from something of your choice. And what's really cool about this is that it makes it easier to animate characters which are not in exactly the same proportions as you. So it makes it a bit easier to see and adjust what is going on with the character as you're filming it, rather than having the back and forth between the program and Unreal. So it can really speed things up for you. So yeah, do recommend checking out the Pro plan, and we'll probably cover the Pro plan features in another episode of this. But yeah, that is Rokoko. So the Rokoko suit is great. I'm going to say massive thank you for Rokoko for sending me a suit. We're going to do a lot more videos regarding Rokoko, and especially the Pro plan features, what you can do with it, as there's lots of things that can really streamline your process when you want to record something. If you're using a starter plan, this is great though for things like NPCs that are doing dialogue conversations or things like that. There are three basically, I think there's 4 products you can get, but we're going to talk about the 3 I've got here. We've got the suit, the smart gloves, which these are extra, and there's also a face cam, which you don't have to use. You can use a phone and use your own phone mount if you like. We'll be covering that in another episode as well. So yeah, if you are interested in getting a Rokoko suit, do check them out. Link is in the description to their website. I think it's really impressive. Like the animation comes out is really nice and smooth. It works really well, and because it's untethered, you're pretty much free to go. Like I'm stuck in this little room, but there's nothing stopping me from going into another room to where it's got more space and do something a bit more extravagant in there too. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we'll try and answer them as we can. We will do a few more videos on this and showing the workflow of it with the pro features, with the characters and the root motion stuff. And we'll talk a bit more about the foot locking inside of Rokoko's studio as well. But yeah, do check them out. And if you can't afford the suit, that's fine. They do also have an AI version of their software too. So you can upload just a video of yourself acting something out, and their AI will take it and create a skeleton rig for you animated too. So check out that too. We'll probably do a video on that as well at some point once we've got a couple more of the suit ones done for you. But thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. It really does help out massively. And once again, thank you for Rokoko for sending me this suit to check out and teach you guys how to use. So thank you. Bye everyone.